Ani bojo. Kinegego kada. Oh. You are my everything. Mommy Quinman. The word, the phrase of the day. Gitche nendam wabiminan. Gitche nendam wabiminan. Gitche nendam wabiminan. Just listen. Gitche nendam wabiminan. So it's really simple. Can you hear the rhythm? Gitche nendam wabiminan. Gitche nendam wabiminan. Find that rhythm, man. Gitche nendam wabiminan. So that means I'm happy to see you. I like to say this to any bird, or if I see the wind, blowing the snow around, I say, oh, gitche nendam wabiminan. No, din. Nichi. Or I would say, ajidamo, Nuwama jidamo. Gitche nendam wabiminan jidamo. Kubokadena. Are you hungry, Keeping it simple. Now how? Well, real slow now. Gitche nendam wabiminan. Gitche nendam wabiminan. Let's speed it up a bit. Gitche nendam wabiminan. I'm not going to go warp speed like a lot of our first speakers. Nice and simple. Stay relaxed. Be calm. And you got this. Gitche nendam wabiminan. Na chimi gwech. Bamampi. Ki wabmin wiba.